How to fix Voxal not uninstalling on Mac. To uninstall Voxal on a Mac, you can follow these steps. Quit Voxal if it's currently running. Open the terminal app on your Mac. You can find it in the Utilities folder within the Applications folder. Type the following command and press enter: sudo/application/voxal.app/content/resources/uninstall. Enter your administrator password when prompted and press enter. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Restart your Mac to complete the process. After these steps, Voxal should be completely uninstalled from your Mac. There are a few known errors that you may encounter when uninstalling Voxal on a Mac. Permission denied error. This error occurs when you do not have sufficient privileges to run the uninstall script. To fix this, make sure you are logged in as an administrator or try running the command with sudo. File not found error. This error occurs when the uninstall script cannot find the Voxal installation directory. Make sure that Voxal is installed in the default directory, /application/voxal.app, and that you are running the command from the correct location. Incomplete uninstallation error. Sometimes, even after running the uninstall script, some Voxal files may still be left behind on your Mac. To fix this, you can manually delete any remaining files or use a third-party uninstaller tool. If you encounter any errors during the uninstallation process, try troubleshooting using the above tips or contact Voxal support for further assistance.